Okay. The doesn't sing a chin chimnara. Zidive. Daddy. Mashi, we planches of it. Where are you going?
Lungchutse.
Lungchutse. I've never been there.
Lungchutse is in Rema.
First time Jewy.
The first time.
The time 11:55 years no actually that's to 10:30 na Jewy. So
and then atara thap de mes no be. Majirani yajo kamiji phugese. Yajo kamiji phu melam stop ongese.
Okay.
Tourist ki le pentoni.
Jewy part of slap de. Yeah. The tunnel go to Chi. That Nachi first time meet a Malam Kalvamu, Gadivi to view the Sugadivi to 1 hour in 1 hour walking.
1 hour hiking.
Okay, 1 hour hiking be. So on the way Tagi Gamchi Gatu to do the Lam the Sugadivi do ya hip the view the Sugadivi do the update Byongla Pad Sutung. So till then.
Love you so much.
Love you more.
Hello everybody. So sorry it took a little bit of time inside the shrine. I was listening to Living Awangtile, who is the in charge of the monastery here in Lungchutse. So finally we are here at Lungchutse Monastery. We just finished prostrating inside, offered some prayers inside the shrine, and I was asking Living Awangtile about the history of monastery. So Lungchutse Monastery was basically founded in 16th century, 16th, 17th and 18th. I'll take these 3 centuries. And it was found none other than Tirton Dugradoji. Tirton Dugradoji was he's a treasure hunter from Kham in Tibet. So inside the shrine you get to see the statue of Guru Rinpoche, who was done by an artisan known as Nobutsawa. And Mr. Novo have completed the sculpting of Guru Rinpoche's statue, similarly to Sami Monastery in Tibet. So as far as I heard from Living narrated a very good story about the statues inside and how to pray for your own and for the benefits of the sentient beings and how you get the blessings. So yeah, the main shrine is basically dedicated to Guru Rinpoche himself, and the statue itself was sculpted in 18th century, and then you see the wrathful figure of Doji Semba, and I got to hear that there are 6 monks living here. I think he's the oldest one. Living in Tengachi Somon. I made a thamba here, see. Karma is here with me. He's been here for 30 years. Lungchutse. He's been here more than 30 years. Yeah, he's the one. So yeah, really good to see him. Fortunate person who is to look after the monastery in the absence of Rinpoche, Nado Rinpoche. And in 2004, the monastery was again renovated by Ajidoji Wangmo Wangchuk, the Queen Mother of our country. Alright, we're gonna have some tea here. Living On today invited us for a tea. And then we're off back to Dochula. Till then, see you. 마음기라 미송볼라 아니 서식된 나나가래 아니 보다와 같이 주소는 뭐야 생각한다면 단빈 들나오는 것은 아주 좋아진 비서가 너 진다면 근데 겨와도 수입 막도를 배 생각하는데 겨와 배워지 편박하지요 상기지 추심이 같이 되는 순서는 근데 왜 많이 도전돼 맞아요 내 집생들 푸드를 미슬라 아니 말라비 나제니 패션을 배 아니 내 집면은 거 아니 경보도 생기 같이 패션을 춘도 거든 근데 같이 언제도 같이 뭐 롤러라 고르면은 아나 쿠기로면 나라 가자리 지는 좀 막히세 그래 창어 좀이지 안 줄수 있으면 막히서는 보면은 다들 동안에 이 코스공이 나무 그렇고 쓰는 게 비싸다 한던데 타나봐요 경이지랑 봐보실라 오늘 보더라 직조에 소소 되기 근데 나 보더니 뭐더라고 하는 네 몰라 한디 미 집에 내로 시대를 좀 아직 더 우시던 걸로 가지마서 빼는 거 차로 튄다는 것도 너무 숨이지 고치 안에 동 가지지 그리고 대만이만 양도 때려야 주니 대만이 동고야 심미게 못 줘다 동고지 제 무슨 게 있을 막을 막았어 내가 이거지 미모사 아직 그 놈이사 그 리무치기 놈 땀마랑 같이 인데를 리무치기 취송스라 리무치기로 대버딩아 맞두지리 예밀라 미트나리 미추라나 아니 라룰라 만숨베도랑기 대버기 숲이요 뭐라 Okay, just give me a minute second. It was a wonderful moment with Living Out. He offered us tea with some biscuits and roasted rice. We had a chit chat for 30 minutes and now we're off back to Dochula. Okay, time is 3:30. Let's see how much it will take for 2 of us to reach at Dochula. It took us about 58 minutes to reach here. The trail is about 2 hours, but we completed it in 58 minutes. Hats off to my beautiful lady there and myself.
Tinga ke sa ma long da na le ge nge lu je na se la bo ge ya li thu du lu ti na
to yele jinde de yele jinde me na free be pal up go mangu my wife is actually saying that earlier she was a little bit hungry and then was talking about asking some tea and snacks from the in-charge here, but she's telling me that it's actually a coincidence or having a what do you call this? Having this yeah, a good prediction by living out today that we might need some tea and snacks. So yeah, she's just talking about that one. Alright, stay tuned. So we're gonna run a little bit faster because we're getting late and it's cold. And we're at the elevation of 3,566. Okay, now this are wind horse flags, which signifies the 5 elements, or otherwise the 5 poisons that are being contained in all the sentient beings, and it's being hung to make us realize that liberation is possible while you are still living in the samsara. And in order to make us liberated, we should avoid the 5 poisons.
Yeah. Ta ngachini dari nimchigi longchutse lo longchutse ani ga hike judui dari gi the chinga time kamchna start pay time to something they start pay 154 they start pay 154 they start baby the 436 years no almost like 2 hours me but machini ki nale ya since they 1 hour legi mago 1 hour 58 minutes lo but ya hit the road say lam king idegi machini lo suje chia na le sunji chia ro na be shui atsi 30 minutes temchi de we hechi tata chimno jodo logde chimno jo be restanita